In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Tradingview free trial or subscription. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. Sign into the account that currently has the free trial or paid plan. It's important to make sure you are in the correct account, especially if you've ever used more than one login. Once you are signed in, look to the top of the page for your profile picture. Depending on your layout, it might be in the top right or the top left. Click it to open the menu from that menu. Choose Account and Billing or Settings. Both paths take you to the right place. Inside your account area, locate the Subscriptions tab. This tab is where Tradingview lists your current plan and renewal details, including whether you are on a free trial or an active paid subscription. Next, find the option that says Cancel Trial or Cancel Subscription. Click that button to start the cancellation process. Tradingview will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. You may be asked to select a reason for canceling. This helps them improve the service and won't prevent you from finishing. Keep clicking the prompts to proceed, using the Continue to Cancel or Yes. Cancel Me Now button when it appears. Read each screen so you understand whether your access ends immediately or continues until the end of the current period. When the cancellation is complete, look for an on-screen confirmation. It's a good idea to take a quick screenshot or note the confirmation message for your records. You should also receive an email confirming the change. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. After canceling, return to the Subscriptions tab to verify your status. It should indicate that your plan is canceled or will not renew at the next billing date. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you are on a free trial, cancel before the trial end date to avoid being charged. If you don't see the cancel option, refresh the page or try a desktop browser. And double-check you are signed into the correct account. And if you change your mind later, you can always come back to the Subscriptions tab to restart a plan. That's it. Thanks for watching.